Hi everyone, Chef Anthony from Don's Appliances here today. I'm talking about sous vide. So I'm gonna actually tell you what the sous vide system is and some benefits of cooking products in it. So let's open this one up. This is the signature version right here, but the sous vide is just really a circulation of water bath with a controlled time and temperature. So this one, we'll put this out. This is a rack to kind of weigh the product down. And then here, right here is kind of the vessel that we keep it in, and it has a minimum and a maximum line right here. So this is really where we want to fill our water up, and then we need like a food saver or an airtight bag to put our proteins in, our veggies in, and really what it's gonna do is it's gonna circulate around and hold that correct temperature for the duration of time that we pick, depending on what recipe we are and what we're making. But the benefits are huge. You can meal prep, you can do a bunch of other items and really line them all up and have everything stored. But the cryovac bag, the food saver, it really sucks all the air out of it. This is really where we concentrate flavor and get a great texture on all of our products. If we were doing like a steak or a protein, we would go like chicken would be 165. So we would go 165, and then we could do the duration. So even 60 minutes to 90 minutes to even hours. But this is the ideal temp of what it's gonna do. It's really gonna hold that internal temp of that water circulating around, and we're gonna have the time on it. It really works out well, but I encourage all customers to really try and maybe make the whole meal out of it. So, try and do your rice, try and do your vegetables, try and do your protein in here, and really meal prep it out for the whole week, and get the most bang for your buck. I will tell you though, at the end of sous vide, you need to really pan sear it to kind of get some color on it, some caramelization, get that Maillard reaction, which really helps out. You could even put it on convection broil underneath or something like that, just to get, a browning on the top. But think about, tougher cuts of meat as well. Think about it for, all your proteins, your veg, and your meal prep. I think should really cover it all in the sous vide world. All right, thank you so much. Enjoy.